Are you a U.S. expat, business owner, or traveler in need of a second phone number? Need to register for online accounts but don't want to use your personal number? Getting a traditional SIM card can be expensive, time-consuming, and requires sharing personal details. It's a hassle. Plus, it makes balancing your personal and professional life difficult when you're using the same number for both. But there's an easier way. SMS-Man provides virtual numbers for over 200 countries, supporting 1,500 plus of the most popular social networks, messages, marketplaces, and websites, making it perfect for anyone who needs to receive SMS for online services like Telegram, WhatsApp, Viber, Instagram, Facebook, and more. To register with SMS-Man, you only need to enter your email address, no ID or personal details needed. Use a virtual number anonymously to receive SMS for registrations on websites and apps. Protect your data, avoid spam, and save time, all at a low price. Getting started with SMS-Man is simple. Here's how it works. Go to sms-man.com and sign up by entering your email address and creating a password. Confirm your account through the email sent to you. Once that's done, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Click on the top up button to add funds to your account. SMS-Man offers multiple top-up options, so you can choose the one. Now, choose the service you need the virtual number for, whether it's Telegram, WhatsApp, or another platform. Then, pick the country you want your number to be from. Click on the Buy SMS button to purchase the virtual number. Head over to the Play Store or App Store and download the Telegram app. Once installed, open it and start the registration process. Go back to your SMS-Man dashboard. Copy the virtual number you purchased and paste it into the Telegram registration page. Click the Receive SMS button, and within seconds, you'll receive the verification code right on your SMS-Man dashboard. Simply copy the code and paste it in the Telegram to complete the verification page. And there you go. Your Telegram account is created and you're all set to use it. SMS-Man makes everything easy and quick. The process is fully automated and you don't need to contact anyone to get your number. Plus, support is always available if you need help. So go ahead and start using it. SMS-Man, your fast, secure, affordable solution.